I'm Ellie Hughes and I'm a Digital Graduate Officer for the Digital Improvement Office, and I studied Events Management at Cardiff Metropolitan University. To be honest, with the opportunity of the graduate schemes, there was a lot more to offer than what other businesses had. Like, I was sort of looking around at smaller private sectors and none of them sort of had the incentives that the one that RCT had with the graduate scheme, and being able to sort of have more education alongside my job sort of thing. It seemed like a great opportunity to keep sort of learning as well. So my biggest highlights really have been with the pandemic and everyone being forced to work from home. I've taken like a big sort of responsibility in doing bite-sized sessions for those that are working from home. So I've sort of learned how to teach people on Teams, how to with their Outlook, their mail, and just helping people really. So I've done like one-to-one sessions and bite-sized sessions, and sort of being able to help people adapt to working from home life as well, while I'm trying to adapt to it at the same time. So that's definitely one big highlight. Definitely had a massive development in my confidence from doing these sort of bite-sized sessions, because it's not just to sort of 1 or 2 people, it will be to like 40 plus on certain occasions. So it's definitely developed my confidence and sort of my professionalism in talking to people as well, and doing these sort of sessions and learning how to talk to different people as well. So that's definitely been a massive development. My managers have been great since starting. They've been really welcoming, and I think it's really hard starting working from home because you're not having that initial meeting with everyone and sort of that icebreaker. So trying to get to know each other on a one-to-one basis through a screen is quite difficult, but they have been really supportive, and if I've ever had any issues, they've made it clear that I could go to them, and I do, because I feel comfortable in going to them as well. Be patient and persistent with your application, because the applications can be quite lengthy as well, can't they? So just being confident with your application. So I had a group interview, and I just think it's so important to be confident and be yourself as well, and sort of in that situation to be a team player in showing your skills but also letting everyone else show theirs as well. I think that's really important. And just being confident throughout the application process really. I think it's important to search your role, do some research around the organisation so you are fully educated on it if you are asked any questions. The project management course, so alongside the graduate scheme, obviously RCT pay for the course, so I've had that alongside my job, which is great because it's sort of putting the learnings into practice as well, because all of the things then that I'm learning in my course in day-to-day work, I can then apply it in. So that's been like a really great opportunity because it's learning while on the job as well.